Your next car could be the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, the heavy-duty full-size pickup truck that has the power and technology you need to get the big jobs done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, V8 engine, keyless entry, keyless start, backup camera, 4x4, Wi-Fi hotspot, trailer hitch, Bluetooth. Don't you deserve a truck you can depend on when the going gets tough? Drive the Silverado 2500 HD.